Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload images to Bard AI. First of all, just open your browser, then go to Bard AI. Now once you're at the website, click on this upload image button right here, and from here upload the image. But now I'm just gonna go for this one right here, click on open, wait for it till it's uploaded, and after that you can enter a prompt. For example, I'm just gonna say, can you define what's in the picture and just hit enter. So here is Bard AI's response. This image shows a wooden table topped with a variety of healthy foods, including fruits, apples, and everything that's included on the photo. Now we're just gonna upload another image. For example, I'm just gonna go for, let's say, this picture right here. Click on open. Now let's say, can you describe this picture? You can also try out different prompts. So here is the Bard AI's response. The image you sent shows a lightning strike in the night sky. The lightning is very bright and the clouds are very dark. The lightning bolt is jagged and zigzagging and it appears to be striking the ground. So that's a pretty good description. Now make sure to play with your prompts to get the best results. But keep in mind one thing, that it is still unable to process the images with some people or a person in it. So that's from my chat, and that's how you can upload pictures to Bard AI. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.